This equation here has both constant terms, which is 3 and minus 8, as well as fractions. To solve for x, let's put the left-hand side as a single fraction. The common denominator is 6. And the numerator here will be 3 times 6, so that's 18, minus 5x. And for the right-hand side, the common denominator will be 9. The numerator here will be minus 2x. And we will have minus 8 times 9, so that's 72. The next thing we want to do is to cross multiply. We have 9 times 18 minus 5x is equals to 6 times negative 2x minus 72. Then we will expand for each side. We have 19. Then we will expand for each side. For the left-hand side, we have 18 times 9. We will expand both sides. For the left-hand side, we have 18. We will expand both sides. For the left-hand side, we have 9 times 18. That's 162. Minus 9 times 5x. That's 45x. For the right side, we have 6 times negative 2x, which is negative 12x. And 6 times negative 72. That is negative 432. Now let's bring all the x terms to one side. Let's keep negative 45 and bring over negative 12x. If you bring over negative 12x, it becomes positive 12x. And for the right side, let's keep negative 432. And we will bring over 162 to the right side. That becomes negative 162. Negative 45x plus 12x will give us negative 33x. And on the right side, it will be negative 594. To solve for x, we take negative 594 divided by negative 33. That will give us 18. Here we have a fraction term and a constant, as well as this expression on the right side. Let's put the left-hand side into a single fraction. The common denominator is 5. 3x plus, to get the numerator here, will be 4 times 5. And we will expand out the right side. That will be half x minus half. 3x plus 4 times 5 is 20 over 5 is equals to half x is also x over 2. The x belongs to the numerator minus half. So we can put it as the common denominator. Let's put this expression as a single fraction with a common denominator 2. Let's cross multiply to make it a linear equation. we have 2 multiplied by 3x plus 20 is equals to 5 multiply x minus 1. Next, we will open up the bracket. We will expand. This gives us 6x plus 4t, and this will be 5x minus 5. Let's bring all the x term to one side. We have 6x on the left side. By bringing 5x over to the left side, it will be negative 5x. On the right side, we have negative 5. And bringing over positive 40, we get negative 40. Now we have x is equals to negative 45. The first step here is to do expansion for both sides. Half times x is x over 2. X is the numerator, plus half times 1 is half. On the right side, we have 2x over 3 minus 1 over 3. Now let's put both sides into one single fraction. The right side, rather the left side, has a common denominator 2, and that will be numerator is x plus 1. The right side, the common denominator is 3. Numerator is 2x minus 1. Now let's cross multiply. We have 3 bracket x plus 1 is equals to 2 bracket 2x minus 1. When you expand out, it will be 3x plus 3 is equals to 4x minus 2. Let's bring all the x term to one side. We will keep 3x. 4x bring over will be negative 4x. We keep negative 2. Bring over positive 3 become negative 3. 3x minus 4x is minus x, and is equals to negative 5. And if we think about it by dividing both sides by negative 1, because whatever you do to the left side, you need to do to the right side, and that will give us x is equals to 5. There are 2 terms here in this equation. I will bring this whole term to the right side. So 1 over 8 bracket 5x plus 7 is equals to, this term here is negative. When I bring it over to the right side, it becomes positive. The term on the left side will be 5x plus 7 over 8. And the term on the right side, I will need to do expansion. So it becomes 8x minus 12 over 9. Okay, so I keep the denominator as 9. And I multiply 4 with 2x. And I multiply 4 with negative 3. Now we have 2 single fractions on each side. We will cross multiply. That gives us 9 times 5x plus 7 and 8 times 8x minus 12. We will continue to do expansion for both sides. That gives us 45x plus 63 is equals to 64x minus 96. Let's bring all the terms with x to one side. We will keep 45x on the left side. 64x bring over will be negative 64x. We keep negative 96 and bring over positive 63. That will become negative 63. This gives us negative 19x. We have negative 19x is equals to negative 159. Let's divide both sides by negative 19. we want to divide by negative 19 so that we can cancel off negative 19 and make x alone. So x will be equals to 159 over 19.